Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tabletop role-playing games with a detailed review of the Chaosium Call of Cthulhu starter set. If you're interested in picking this up, we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the Chaosium Call of Cthulhu starter set? This box set is a gateway into the eerie and atmospheric universe of H.P. Lovecraft's cosmic horror. Designed for both newcomers and experienced players alike, it provides everything you need to embark on thrilling investigations filled with mystery, suspense, and the supernatural. One of the standout features of this starter set is its comprehensive rulebook, which makes it easy for new players to grasp the essentials of gameplay. The rules are straightforward, focusing more on storytelling and character development than on complex mechanics. This makes it accessible for those who might be intimidated by more intricate role-playing systems. In addition to the rulebook, the set includes several pre-written adventures that serve as an excellent introduction to the game. These scenarios are carefully crafted to immerse players in the Lovecraftian world, where they will face unspeakable horrors and uncover dark secrets. The adventures are designed for a variety of skill levels, so whether you're a seasoned gamer or a complete novice, there's something here for everyone. Another significant aspect of this starter set is the beautifully illustrated handouts and character sheets. These components not only enhance the gameplay experience but also help players visualize the eerie settings and characters they will encounter. The artwork stays true to the Lovecraftian aesthetic, adding an extra layer of immersion. The Chaosium Call of Cthulhu starter set is suitable for a wide range of players. Whether you're a seasoned tabletop veteran looking to explore new themes or a beginner eager to dive into the world of RPGs, this set caters to all. It's perfect for friends gathering around a table for a night of spine-chilling storytelling or for families looking to engage in a creative and collaborative experience. In practical terms, this starter set is ideal for game nights, whether you're playing with friends or at local gaming shops. The ease of use means you can quickly set up a game and start playing without extensive preparation. It's also a fantastic way to introduce young adults or teenagers to the world of role-playing games, as it encourages creativity, critical thinking, and teamwork. The thematic depth of the Call of Cthulhu universe allows for endless possibilities in terms of character creation and story development. Players can delve into the personalities of their characters, each with unique backgrounds and motivations, which can lead to rich narrative experiences. The horror elements of the game can create thrilling moments of tension, perfect for those who enjoy suspenseful storytelling. Moreover, this starter set encourages players to think outside the box. The scenarios are not just about combat, they require investigation, problem-solving, and interaction with non-player characters, which can lead to unexpected twists and turns in the story. This dynamic gameplay keeps everyone engaged and invested in the outcome. In conclusion, the Chaosium Call of Cthulhu starter set is a fantastic entry point into the world of tabletop RPGs, particularly for those drawn to the themes of horror and mystery. With its accessible rules, beautifully crafted adventures, and immersive components, it's an excellent choice for both new and experienced players looking to explore the dark corners of Lovecraft's universe. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.